So, what is Pong? Pong was a video game that originally was created back in '72, I believe. And when I was a kid in the '80s, we played it on the Atari on our TV, and it wasn't quite this old looking, but it basically has the same setup where you have a paddle on one side and then a ball that bounces off. And here we have two players: a paddle on the left, a paddle on the right, score in the middle, and the ball is bouncing off the paddles. And yeah, it's basically a game of air hockey, um, electronically done. So, what are we going to be building in our tutorial set? Well, the first Pong Beginnings is just going to be learning the basics of Pi game, and we're going to be building this, which is controlled via the WS key and the up and down key. And if the ball goes off the screen, then it goes off the screen and never comes back. So once we get that going, then we're going to objectify it, which means we're going to learn about classes and objects, and we're going to use those concepts to rebuild Pong using those ideas. And then finally, we're going to be building this. And so this is with sound effects and graphics and all the little bells and whistles that go into building like some kind of a video game like this. And then you can see the score fades in the background. We got a background music. You can see the speed of the ball increases when the bass hits. So it's just periodically the speed of the ball goes up. And yeah, and the ball gets smaller. So that is what we're going to be putting together. And then you can see the countdown starts over again. And if you notice the score here, it's 0 to 1, right? That's a little bug that you can fix if you'd like, but I didn't fix it for this version. And then let me just show you once you get to 3, and that means the left player has won. So let me go ahead and just have the right player lose. And then we have the ending screen. I click here to continue, and it starts over again.